It is so loud. You're being filmed. La 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 la. Bendy the Benster. You're being filmed. That's a great phone, ain't They have a bendy mask over there. Look, they're wearing a bendy mask. Yes. Give me your bendy mask. Is that your mom's phone or is it yours? Mine. Oh, I should have brought mom's phone. Oh, hell, the flashing lights. Give me the video. Wait, would this be a seizure warning? Hayden, would this be a seizure warning? Yeah, probably. Seizure warning and seizure and noise warning. Do you have Facebook? No, I'm not allowed. Stupid doing! I'm pretty sure I seen Gabe's mom. Gabe's somewhere. I'm pretty sure I seen Gabe's mom. That's so amazing! You're being filmed. John's mom. Oh, I see it. You're being filmed. This is a seizure warning. So beautiful. Seizure warning. No, seriously, you're being filmed. Grayson, I grew 3 eyes. No, you just grew a zit. That's your third zit. That's your third zit. I can barely hear anything. Big's costume. When I upload this, I'm gonna put a seizure and headphone warning. Okay? Oh gosh. Because of those flashing lights and the loudness of this party. And also, my face. No, face reveal. Oh yeah, look at that face reveal. Oh yeah, look at Gabe's face reveal. Wait, don't you keep your mask down? I'm not bad. Okay, so stuck up now. Can you even hear me? No. Please tell me. Earth Grayson. Okay, over here so you can hear me. Come here. Gabe, come here. Okay, so if you couldn't hear what the heck I was saying, this is a face reveal. Also with Gabe. I think I lost my eye. No, you just got a zit. That's all. And also, and I have a couple scratches on my arm. I have a couple scratches. One on my neck. Just a couple. Oh, and also, okay, to the party! And also seizure and headphone warning. Yes, that is happy dance. The wiggle dance. The wiggle dance. look at everyone. Ah! You're being filmed. You're being filmed. Seriously. No, you're not. You're not real.
I'm a transformer. I transformed into a box. Box.
Ah, give me some food! Give me some food!
I want some chips.
I want a chip! Give me a chip!
I want Mountain Dew.
No, you don't.
I already drank some Mountain Dew.
That's the thing, you drink some beer.
Oh, shoot.
Or some drugs. I'm just saying probably drugs.
Gabe in his wild habitat. Grayson, nobody's noticed the caution lights on. When I run through here, everybody here is Strip running through here, and it's hilarious. They're just running and then they're slipping and falling on their back. So,
Wait. Act it out.
so many people do it.
No, act it. Ah. Hey! You're being filmed.
Whose phone is that?
Mine. I want one, thank you.
Okay, here's the clip record. And I don't think you can have it. It's right.
No, I actually don't want it. You're a skeleton, you're a vampire. You're a Bonnie. And you're terrifying.
What to say?
Jaden, I am putting a seizure and loud noises warning.
Thanks for the song. Perfect.
Okay, wait, to the no noise zone. No noise zone. Okay. Like I said, okay, stop. Like I said in the last video, yeah, I'm going to a dance, Halloween dance for my school. It's on face cam, Gabe. And I know there hasn't been much happening, but wait, even more no noise zone. Just hold it open for me. I'll put my foot here. Ah! I'm in the outside world. No, wait, hang on. Okay, bye-bye. There hasn't been much happening in this video. So yeah, this video is kind of stupid, so I'm gonna end it. Bye-bye.